In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can delete installed games here on your PS5. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, there's two methods to do this. The first one is obviously the fastest, and this works if, there's a game on your home screen or in your library. You can essentially just go ahead and highlight that game on your home screen, for example, GTA San Andreas, and then you can press the options button or the start button on your controller. And then from here, it's going to pull up a menu that looks like this. Either go ahead and select delete on here, and then hit OK, or you'll also see an option that says keep in home. Essentially, this is going to keep the icon on the home screen. If this is ticked on, turn it off, and then go ahead and hit delete again, and then OK one more time, and this will remove the game and free up storage. But if you want to see what's taking up the most storage and delete games from here, go up to your settings up in the top right corner, scroll down to storage, just like so, go into console storage, games and apps, and once you are in here, you'll see all the games and apps installed here on your PS5, along with how much space each one is using. You could also sort the list to find the largest games faster, but essentially just go ahead and select multiple or just one of these, for example, and then hit delete down in the bottom right corner, and then confirm again by hitting OK, and the game will be removed from your console. But that is it. That is how you can delete installed games here on your PS5. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.